Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tables and other elements within your project on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you can start working on any of your old projects or create a new one entirely. Now, if you wish to add a table at any point of time within your project, then you can simply click on the charts and grids option at the left side and then click on tables. From the tables section, just click on any of the table design and this table will now be imported within your scene. You can replace and resize using the move option as well as the scale. And once your table is imported, you can start adding up your contents within the table and complete your design. You can fill colors and also add borders within each cell in order to customize your table further. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a table within your edits on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.